My son got the space rocket set for his 4th birthday, and he absolutely loves it. He's really into space, so anything with rockets, astronauts, and planets immediately grabs his attention, and this set honestly exceeded my expectations. What I love most about it is how much it encourages imaginative, open-ended play. The set comes with a rocket, a spacecraft, an aircraft, a satellite, and 2 astronauts, so he can create his own little space world. He loves setting everything up, launching missions, and making up stories about where the astronauts are going. Sometimes he plays with it independently, and other times we'll play together and talk about space, which makes it even more fun. One of the standout features for him is the realistic light and sound effects. When the rocket launches, it lights up and makes liftoff sounds, which makes it feel like a real space mission. There are also wheels on the bottom of the spacecraft, so he can roll it along the floor to simulate takeoff, and that alone keeps him entertained for a long time. But both of our favorite parts is the water mist feature. It comes with a little water bottle that you can fill up, and when you add water to the rocket, it creates a mist that looks like steam during the rocket launch. He thinks that is the coolest thing ever, and it really brings the whole experience to life in a way that most toys don't. The pieces are a great size for little hands, and they feel sturdy and well made. I also like that some of the parts can be taken apart and put back together, which adds another layer of hands-on learning and problem solving. It's a really nice balance of fun pretend play and educational play. This is one of those toys that wasn't just exciting on day one, but my son has kept coming back to it over and over again. If you have a preschool-age child who loves space, rockets, or imaginative play, this is a really engaging toy, and it would make an awesome birthday or holiday gift.